What if I told you one sound was so powerful that people heard it nearly 5,000 kilometers away? In 1883, the Krakatoa volcano in Indonesia erupted with one of the loudest sounds ever recorded in human history. The explosion reached an estimated 310 decibels near the source. It was so powerful that people thousands of kilometers away reported hearing it, and the shockwave traveled around the Earth multiple times. The eruption also created massive tsunamis and changed the weather for months by sending huge amounts of ash into the atmosphere. Even today, scientists consider the Krakatoa eruption one of the most powerful natural explosions ever recorded.